Ready? Danny, so did you see anything, Danny?
I was just doing my homework and I heard a noise and I came outside and got the vehicle right here that was smashed in the front. As you can see, the windshield's all smashed.
Yeah, and then?
Walls all on the ground. I think the guy's all red now. Get that shit, get that.
Whoa. Hey Danny, throw a little rocker sign for us, man.
What?
Wow. Wow.
Hey Matt. Going on YouTube, baby. Huh?
He's like on the right side, at least now I don't have to walk all the way around to get to the bus stop.
Can you say that for the camera? And that's what it's like living. Could be a crackhead, they got hold to the wrong stuff. Anyone seen a leprechaun say yet? Yeah. This is what it's like at the Maverick Creek Villa apartment every night.
What's that Soldier Boy song? They have
Superman that house.
I feel like, if I pull out my iPod, it would just like...
Superman that
Oh.
rolling down the street.